This KAATSU training video was recorded in high definition and is suitable for full screen viewing. If you are viewing this video on the KAATSU Master or KAATSU Nano, you may view it in full screen mode by simply tapping the video. To return to standard viewing, simply tap the screen once more. KAATSU Master 1-1 Powering Up and Usage Agreement. Firmly hold down the power release button for a few seconds to start the KAATSU Master. The sound of the air compressors can be heard briefly when the KAATSU Master is turned on. Press Confirm to use the KAATSU Master. The usage agreement is posted on the KAATSU Global website for reference purposes. If the usage agreement is not agreed to, the KAATSU Master automatically turns off. The usage agreement requires KAATSU specialists and KAATSU clients to strictly follow the specified KAATSU protocols. On the KAATSU Master, the light green buttons are action buttons. Each KAATSU Master can be used by 3 different KAATSU specialists. At first, each KAATSU specialist is unregistered and must be registered. Press Specialist 1 to register the first KAATSU specialist. Enter the 4-digit KAATSU specialist passcode that is delivered via email from KAATSU Global. The default passcode is 4 zeros. Firmly press each numeral and then press Enter. If a numeral is entered incorrectly, press back or clear. After the correct or default passcode is entered, press Enter. If the default passcode is entered, the specialist will be listed as unregistered. On the home screen, an unspecified client is listed as Guest with a default 7-digit code of 7 zeros. This is also where client names will appear. The name of the KAATSU specialist is indicated in the lower left corner, and the time is noted in the lower right corner. The KAATSU Master has 6 primary fields: Client Manager, KAATSU Setting, KAATSU Cycle, KAATSU Training, KAATSU Videos, and System Settings. The client's name is listed in the top field. When the client's name is not identified, Guest is listed. The 7-digit client ID is listed next to the client's name or guest. After the KAATSU specialist is registered on the KAATSU Master, his or her name appears in the lower left corner. In Japanese, ka means additional, and atsu means pressure, so KAATSU literally means additional pressure. The acronym SKU stands for Standard KAATSU Units, and it refers to the amount of additional pressure that is applied in KAATSU training. The KAATSU Master can measure between 0 and 500 SKUs. The precision and the sensitivity of the KAATSU Master are essential features as they enable the KAATSU specialist to customize KAATSU training so that it is properly set for each individual client. This understanding of the personalization of KAATSU training is foundational to understanding why it is safe, efficient, and easy to adopt. A growing number of doctors recognize that KAATSU can make a huge difference. Some are already beginning to identify ways in which KAATSU could revolutionize medical care. Others, fascinated with the science of KAATSU, are demonstrating the differences between correct KAATSU and incorrect KAATSU. And the possibilities are truly unlimited as KAATSU training has expanded from dry land usage to a growing number of aquatic applications. Dr. Sato, of course, is the inventor of KAATSU training and the patent holder of all KAATSU equipment. He is also a fellow in the National Academy of Inventors. Dr. Sato realized that the optimal pressure is different for each individual. because what is appropriate for one person may not be appropriate for another. A certified KAATSU specialist, therefore, will know how to determine the proper SKU on a client-specific basis. This is extremely important, and quite frankly, it is what separates KAATSU training from everything else. The KAATSU certification program provides the foundational knowledge and the protocols which are necessary to ensure the proper use of KAATSU equipment for the maximum benefit of KAATSU clients. The KAATSU certification program provides extensive coverage in the topic of base SKU and optimal SKU. For more information about the KAATSU certification program, visit KAATSU-global.com. Thank you for watching this KAATSU training video for the KAATSU Master. Be sure to watch all the available video trainings for your KAATSU equipment to gain a full understanding of its features and benefits. KAATSU, profoundly simple and simply profound.